Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to do the swipe it dance. Now this dance is also known as the Millie Rock dance. You can call it whatever you want, but this is how to do it. There are basically two parts to the dance, but before I even go over the parts, I want to show you this one thing that you have to learn how to do first. Now to start off, you want to take one of your hands and we're going to alternate right, left, and so forth, or left, right, whatever you want. You want to take one of your hands, bring it out, and just bring it in like that. And you're not just going to go like this. You want to really bring your body with it like that, and then do the same thing with the other hand, like that. So when you do that a few times, just go like that. You really want to do this. And when you get that down, you're ready to do the swipe it dance, just like that. I'll slow it down for you, just like that. You're sort of leading with your hip. You can see I'm leading with my hip, just like that. Now, once you have that part down, then you want to move on to the first portion of the dance. Now, for the first portion of the swipe it dance or the Millie Rock, what you want to do is sort of roll your hands in the center of your body and then swipe it on one side. Roll your hands in the center of your body and then swipe it on the other side. Now, when you speed it up, it's going to look something like this. Sorry, I just actually ate a chocolate, so I have all sorts of chocolate in my mouth. I should have actually done the video first before the chocolate. But let's get right to it. When you speed it up, it's going to look something like this. Roll your hands, swipe it, just like that. And then you can do it a little bit faster. You can roll quickly or you can roll for a while. Whatever you want. But it's going to, if you're doing it to beat, it's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Now, that's the first part. It's very easy. Now, for the second part, it's almost as easy. But instead of rolling your hands in the middle together, you're going to be rolling one hand to the side individually. So I'm going to roll my right hand like this and then swipe it. Left hand, swipe it. Right hand, swipe it. Left hand, swipe it. Now, those are actually the two parts. Now, the key to doing the swipe it dance or the Millie Rock dance, whatever you want to call it, is actually bringing those together in a creative way. Now, just to start off, what you want to do, once you have each part down, what you want to do is maybe alternate between the center roll and then the side. So I'm going to do 2 center rolls and then 2 sides. So I would go something like this. Center roll, right, center roll, left, side, right, side, left. And you're going to alternate center, right, center, left, side, right, side, left. Center, right, center, left, side, right, side, left. Just like that. And when you're doing it to a beat, it's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to, the key is to grab the beat. You want to clap out the beat and then do it to the beat. Now, when you want to go to the advanced level, when you want to take this to the next level and do the swipe it dance or the Millie Rock dance better than anyone ever before, what you want to do is add some creativity to it, and I'll give you a little bonus tip towards the end of the video. So for creativity, maybe I'm going to do center to the right, side, right. Center to the left, side, left. Something like that. You're going to vary. Or center to the right, side, left. Center to the left, side, right. And when you do it faster, you can, here's the bonus tip. You really want to get your body into the motion. So if I'm going like this, just like that, just like that, just like that, just like that. You really want to bounce your body to it. If you're going like this, it's not going to look good. I don't know what you're doing here. You're just rolling your arms around. You look like, you're just moving your arms in any direction. Not going to look good. You want it to look good, you got to really move your body to the beat. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. And you can vary the speed. So, for instance, I could go slow and then faster. Slow and then faster. You can see it's still on the beat. I'm just varying the speed of my hands. You can just maybe rotate like twice, or many more times. Just like that. It's up to you, but the point is you got to change it up. If you do the exact same thing over and over in the same pattern, it's not going to look as good as if you vary it, then you do like vary it up, whatever you can do. Change it up a bit. That's the key to making this swipe it dance or Millie Rock dance look absolutely awesome. And that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about my tutorial down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.